In Bergen County Superior Court, a judge ruled that the State Attorney General's office must turn over evidence that has not previously been released to West York Mayor Felix Roque and his legal team. According to Judge Christopher Kazlau, Roque and the State Attorney General's office agreed on September 28, 2015 to turn over banking records in their custody owned or controlled by Rehan Zuberi, the former owner of Diagnostic Imaging Affiliates. In June 2015, an indictment charged Roque with participating in a $250,000 kickback scheme by referring patients to medical imaging centers owned by Zuberi. However, the state did not want to disclose the currency transaction reports and suspicious activity reports related to DIA and or Zuberi. On November 16, 2015, Judge Edward Juragian ordered the state to turn over all relevant CTR and SAR reports, but the state asked the court to reconsider the matter.
With respect to the state's argument, the state requests reconsideration of the order and maintains that there's no obligation to turn over the reports under the Bank Secrecy Act. The strong policy reasons for the protection of SARs are set forth in the legislative history of the Bank Secrecy Act. The SAR non-disclosure. With respect to CTRs, the same policy concerns regarding dissemination of SARs apply. The intent of the BSA is to encourage filing of these types of reports by affording a measure of protection to both the identity of the filer as well as the methods used to uncover suspected fraud. In opposition to the motion for reconsideration, the defense argues that the state does not cite any authority in support of its position, nor does it even suggest that the court actually erred in its prior ruling.
After citing pertinent case law, Kazlau ruled that the state had not provided a legally sound argument to have the matter reconsidered.
The state has not identified something that the judge may have overlooked or erroneously interpreted and is merely remaking in more detail its original argument. Therefore, this court agrees that the state has failed to put forth any legitimate reason for this court to reconsider the prior decision based on Rule 4:49-2. And as such, the motion for reconsideration of Judge Juragian's order directing the state to turn over those financial records is denied.
As of today, defense counsel and the state agreed that Roque's trial will still commence on November 29th. I'm Heinis with the Hudson County View, the eye of the community.